Hey guys, if your portable AC is cooling the room but hot air still seems to be getting inside, you're in the right place. One of the most overlooked reasons for poor cooling is an improperly sealed window kit. Even tiny gaps around the window panel can allow warm air, humidity, dust, and insects to enter the room, forcing the portable AC to run longer while delivering less cooling. The leaks usually appear where the window panel meets the frame or around the exhaust hose adapter. The thing is that sealing these areas correctly can noticeably improve cooling efficiency. These are the steps you can try to fix this and seal your portable AC window kit properly. So, let's get started. 1. Adjust the window panel until it fits tightly against the entire window opening. 2. Apply foam weather stripping along the window frame and where the sash closes. 3. Seal any remaining openings between the panel sections with insulating foam tape. 4. Make sure the exhaust hose adapter locks tightly into the window kit with no visible gaps. 5. Close and lock the window, then check around the kit for warm air leaks using your hand.